Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be making a dish called Fettuccine Alfredo with seared fried salmon. So these are my ingredients: peas, carrots, fettuccine noodle, the salmon, and obviously the Alfredo sauce, olive oil, lemon pepper, and also garlic powder. So we'll be making this and let's get started. Now guys, what I did in the salmon, I basically season it with the olive oil and obviously our lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder. So just, give a good seasoning on your salmon so it adds that taste. So the next step, we're gonna be sear frying this salmon now. Okay. So now guys, we're ready to sear fry our salmon. Here we go. We'll do it two at a time so it's not too crowded. So we're basically just gonna sear fried, get it to the brown color, and that should be good. And I'll show you the end result later.
Okay, right now I'm checking my pasta just to make sure I don't overcook it. Now let's check out our salmon. It is perfectly seared. By cooking the fillets on both sides, you get that nice and crispy edges all around. Into our next step, I just pour some olive oil into the pan, and then we will mix our pre-made Alfredo sauce so we can cook it. While we're cooking our sauce, I went ahead and add some pepper, and then we add our peas and carrot as well. Okay, this time we will be doing our plating. So let's put some pasta on the plate. Let's go ahead and add some sauce into our pasta. And then finally, let's go ahead and place our beautiful pan-seared salmon on the top. As for my final touch, I sprinkled some Parmesan cheese into the salmon. And here it is, our Fettuccine Alfredo with pan-seared salmon.